Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, we've got the CoinsKid crew. So I'm just going to zoom out today for you on XRP to show you what I think is potentially happening right here. I think you've come up impulsively. You're having a correction back to support. You hold the support, you're going to break bullish, okay? And this is basically one big giant bull flag. Now, wherever you start to break this level of resistance and start to close outside, look, it's key resistance, okay? And it's key support. And you're really tightening here. You're getting this price compression. Something is going to give, basically. This is a nice bullish continuation pattern. It doesn't feel bullish, but you come up and it's essentially a bull flag. You're tightening, you're coming back to support of where you came from, okay? You're retracing and you're getting really tight. Now, does it mean that XRP can't come down and bounce and make a lower low than this, okay, or even a lower low than that? Of course it doesn't. But you can see right now, for me personally, a fantastic area of support, if you do start to see more of a rollover here, could be this trend line, okay, and equally the monthly 55 EMA as it's coming up on you, okay, to offer you a level of support. Now, the negative thing here for XRP is if you start to lose this, start to come under the 55, you can see you rolling, because look, this is what you did here. You start to roll, you're coming down, okay? So there's some kind of compression that's going on here, and I do think you're going to get an explosive pop out. And with that, you know, if XRP starts to come out like this is going to be really extreme FOMO, and I think that XRP can put in really impulsive moves like it did here, potentially like it did here, and potentially like it did there in the previous bull market as well. Okay, so something's happening. Like I said to you, it's been a very long time. You know, we are coming down, we're getting really tight here, and this is a beautiful bull flag in my opinion. Okay, so you know, the technical target, wherever you do start to break out, this is the level, this is the technical target of a bull flag. If you do start to break out this little resistance, immediately start to close above that level of resistance on the monthly, which you can see you're starting to lose it as you know, you're conforming to it as resistance, and right now you bounced off it as resistance. So wherever you start to close outside, wherever it is, whenever it is, you know, you're going to be in a breakout target at bare minimum, and that's going to offer an amazing long opportunity wherever you start to break out of at least 298%. And you can see if you do start to do that, you're starting to come up and fill some of the all-time high here, you know, potentially fill some of this wick as well, and this would be an explosive event here for XRP. So this is why I would say to you, you know, a lot of people get bogged down. You know, I try every day to find the lows and swings and, you know, ups and downs, but sometimes just zoom out, okay, and you can see what's going on. If in doubt, zoom out. Now, one thing you can see that's happening here for XRP as well is you've got the EMAs that are really forcing a move here. Do you see this? So you've got this 20 EMA that's coming up. Right now, you came down below it and conformed to this trend line, closing here, okay, and bouncing off it as resistance, support, sorry. And you've come up, you've got back above the EMAs, you've had two closes above the 20, and right now, you know, there's something that's happening here within itself. This could be some kind of pennant where you're coiling up and you break out here this month, the end of the month, who knows, you know, leading into May, and you might not necessarily roll down and come down to this low again, or even a 55. So there's compression just there as well. Now, if you look at this, we did get compression in this move. We came up, okay, we've got this kind of pennant which we targeted, do you remember? And we're coiling up, and then we came down, we lost support, and the technical target of that was met. So right now, you know, are we sort of coming up? We got this pennant just there as well, and if we lose support, we're going to come back down and retest the 55, which will be an amazing entry point. Now the 55, and that would be, I think that would be your last roll here for XRP. The 55 currently sits at around about 05189. Now from here, the continuation, it is quite a bit of a deep retracement, around about 28% short opportunity from this moment, okay? But like I said to you, one thing that we could keep an eye on the daily time frame here is the EMAs, because right now we have retraced, okay, we have retraced from nominal support 702, and we are bouncing off that 702, and right now we're trying to make our way to the EMAs. Now if we do start to get rejected there, potentially this is where we do start to come down, okay, and then on the monthly just there we could come down to the 55, and that would be an amazing entry point in this bull flag. At that point you bounce, and then you come up and you break that resistance and you're gone, and you're on the all-time high there for XRP, which would be amazing, wouldn't it? You know, and the correction's over, and you can see we've got this really tight price compression, and then we absolutely break out here for XRP. But again, no guarantees, because one thing that would be really negative here is if we start to close below this 55 and come down, start hitting our head on it, boom, you know, basically XRP could go anywhere at that point, couldn't it? So it's all technical analysis. I wish I could conclusively say to you that XRP is going to do this and do that, okay? There's no guarantees. Do you understand that? This is technical analysis, my own opinion. I'm just making these videos on a daily basis for you, trying to find the lows. So right now, a negative thing here for XRP would be if you close the month below the 20. You can see when you close it here, you didn't quite come down to the 55, but your level of support is rising. Now if XRP closes below 0.7365 in 16 days, then I would anticipate that you're coming down to the 55 sometime in May, okay, and that would be your bottom down there. Amazing level of support. You can see how you're retesting this level of support down here, okay. Start to break the resistance. Wow, you know, May onwards could be tastier for XRP, and this is what I've said the whole time, okay. Good luck everybody. We're looking for the breakout. Hopefully it comes soon. Take care. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.